This product is an electrostatic sprayer, so it has the ability to cling to products to get in all of the nooks and crannies. It has a very broad spray, so it's getting a nice even spray without clumps that I'm having to go back and wipe down. It's nice to have the efficiency of a cleaning system that works well, which has been the biggest game changer.
Well, being electrostatic, it wraps itself around the germ since it's electrically charged, and basically you don't have to go back and wipe it down again. This facility that we're in is about 1,400,000 square feet. The battery seems to last the entire time. The tank is great because we can fill it up with our proportionate system and we're ready to go. But when we get into our warehouse setting, having the larger tank, larger capacity with a backpack sprayer, that makes it a lot more versatile for them to be able to use in our warehouse settings.
The sprayer has been really convenient for us because it's so versatile and easy to use. We're using way less cleaning supplies compared to our old methods of a spray bottle and wiping things down.
So I was using a squirt bottle sprayer before and my hand was exhausted by the end of every day. So when I got the sprayer, it cut my cleaning time down by half. The numbers on the tank help me know how much I use per class.
It's absolutely an easy way to save time, stand back and kind of angle it up and kind of get more of a mist over the whole area. And it's just a simple, clip of the battery and you just put it on the charger at the end of the night when you're getting ready to leave and take it out and run it all day. It's great to have multiple tools that all connect with the same battery. It's easy to miss the restaurant and walk away from it and let it sit without having to come back and worry about having to wipe it down afterwards.